Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a class schedule in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, search it to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login, you will find here a search bar. Just click and write class schedule. Press enter from a keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many different types of class schedule, which is 3000. Just choose one and start customizing by yourself. That's up to you. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can choose and start customize for the basic tutorial. Let's choose one. If you like this template, now if you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. Here's your template is ready to be customized. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. If you want to make it zoom, click on a space like anywhere and click on press control and up scroll from mouse. Control plus up scroll, it will zoom like this. You can see here class schedule. If you want to make this change the color, you can go here, you can make it red, color will be red. You can make this thing another color, blue. Okay, so that's up to you. You can see the times. You can also change the color or make it another thing. Time Sunday, blue Monday. Just customize yourself with your own creativity. That's up to you. Okay. All right. You can see here the timing: science, math, language, music and drama. Here's the subject and here's the time. You can change the time by yourself. Just double click and you can make it anytime, like 8 to 9. You can change the thing like science, you can make it English. Okay, you can change this thing, you can make it science. Same thing, you can change every. Just double click, you can remove, just put your timing here. You can add AM or PM, that's up to you. Here's the science. You can, if you don't like what to change, just click on this and write literature or anything, any subject you can add. That's up to you or the information. So you can edit, just double click and add a thing. If you want to change the whole board, or you can change the whole color, I mean background color, just go here, background color. You'll find many different types of color. Just choose one and it will be like this. If you don't want to make it change, just you can go here, undo, and you can make it remain like before. If you want to color, or if you want to highlight this, just click on and go colors and make it any color you want. All right, so clear? Not really. Of course, everything you can change. Just go here, simply change the color. Okay, so easy. So after completing your work, how you can download it? Go here, share, and you'll find download. Just click on this and you'll be suggested for file type. Just choose this and try to pick the suggested one and start downloading here. Then you can see here, if you want to send this work directly via mail, just go here, share. Before that, you have to go collaborate link and make it anyone with the link, and write here the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. okay, if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a class schedule in Canva easily. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.